What's up, Airsofters? My name is Dylan the Camo Man, and instead of doing the Desert Eagle today, I decided to do the Wellfire bolt-action Airsoft sniper rifle with a 3 to 9 by 40 scope. This bolt-action sniper rifle has a rubber buttstock. It has a RIS system in the front. You can put a laser on it, a flashlight, a bipod on it would be really good. It has this RIS system here. You can change it up to maybe a red dot sight, maybe an ACOG scope, but I prefer to leave this scope on here. It has these little lens covers. They're pretty decent. They're not the greatest, but they do the job. And it has the zoom. You can see it. It's right here. You can twist it. I prefer to leave it on 5. And that's basically it. It has the hop up here. You can change it. And alright, I guess that's it for this rifle. I'm shooting in from 2 different spots today. I'm not going to be shooting at the tree because it shoots pretty far. And I'm ready to go shoot. Alright guys, so here's the target. I'm going to be shooting at this one from about 25 yards out. So here we go. Alright guys, so I took a few practice shots before this, but I hit it here, 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 and here. So the sights are probably not exactly on, and that's what you have to do. You have to fix the sights. You have to make them perfect for you to hit the bullseye. So let's go to target number 2. Alright guys, so here's target number 2. It's up against this shed. I'm using the same target, and well, gotta fix that. Alright, now it's fixed. This is target number 2. I'm using the same target, and let's go shoot. Alright guys, so here I am, and I'm on target number 2. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but they were all in the black, right here. No bullseyes this time, but I think this sniper is a close range sniper. It's not for long range. If you're like in a really close field, maybe indoor, this sniper is probably a really good choice. This one retails for $100 on Airsoft Megastore. So I think that's it. Well guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this sniper video. And tune in next time for the Desert Eagle that I will bring to you. And as always, this is Dylan the Camo Man, and stay sharp out there.